For you. Wow.
This is my favorite.
Wow, look at it.
Okay,
Okay. So what can you say? What can you say?
Thank you.
Yay.
Okay,
Try it.
let's try.
Ooh. Wow. Wow, that's good. Yeah, you put it like that. You put it like that. You hold it, then I put it like that. Oh, wait. Try it.
Try it.
Hold it.
Wow.
Wow.
Can I do something with this sponge?
Oh, what's that?
I use this pink.
Wow, because of your new pen? What's that?
I like my new pen. So
Yeah, what's that? What did you draw?
That's red from Spunky.
What is?
That's red from Spunky.
Red?
Yeah, from Spunky.
Oh. That one.